Hello everybody, today is a very exciting day. Okay, I don't have, the title says I have a little brother, but this it isn't my little brother. Basically this is my friend's little brother. His name is Steven, and he just got his license yesterday. And that's his car. It's a 335i, it's stick shift, but he doesn't know how to drive stick. He knows a little bit, but he doesn't know, like, he's not really comfortable yet. So today I'm gonna teach him how to drive stick in the slammed WRX. So we're gonna do that. So right now we're gonna go to like a spot, just a clear spot, and I'm gonna teach him how to do it, and I'll teach you guys as well, basically. All right guys, so basically we're at the spot now, and I'm gonna teach Steven how to do this basically. So the way I teach everyone how to drive stick is with your clutch, you have your biting point. So we put in first gear, guys, clutch in first gear, and I let off my clutch very slowly, and I hit that biting point. When I hit that biting point, we'll call it the G spot. When we hit the G spot and we hold it there, the car starts moving, as you guys can see. It starts moving. I'll push it back in and stop. The G spot is literally all you're gonna need to hit it at. So when you hit that G spot, just like that, we start moving. All you're gonna do there is just give it gas. But then the secret is you pause. So right when you hit the G spot and give it gas, you pause both feet and you don't do anything. So hit that G spot, start moving, and give it gas. Pause, 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 and then you can let off your clutch all the way. And then you're in. That's basically how you start in first gear, super smooth. All right, Steven, let's do it. All right, y'all, we're gonna let Steven whip the slammed WRX, and first time driving stick, so let's do it. All right, so first thing first, you're gonna wanna obviously adjust your seat if like you need to, so you're able to reach the clutch all the way.
I think I did.
As you can feel out the clutch, so you can push it in. That good? Yeah. All right, so first we're gonna do, how about you feel out the gas. So now I'm gonna have you feel out the biting point. We're gonna put the clutch in. We're gonna put it in first gear. All right, now we're going to, you can let off the brake and then just go very slowly until you feel the car, the biting, or the G spot, and then just pause right there. Simple, right? It's right there. Right, I'll push it back in, and then brake. And then you can put it back in neutral, and then you can let off the clutch now. It's literally this simple, guys. So all you can do is, you can hit the G spot, a little bit of gas, like as much as like you did 1500 again, and just freeze. Literally both feet freeze, and then don't let off the clutch until you feel that we're actually going. And then when you let off the clutch, just let it off very slowly, and that's it. All right, let's do it. All right, make sure we're in first gear first. Yep. Remember, biting point first. You're good. Biting point first. Yep. Nice. A little bit more gas. Now pause. All the way off. Now we're going, right? And then you can switch gears, pretty simple. Go ahead, clutch in, next gear. There we go, just like that, right? There we go. Easy, right? Just like that. And we're going. You didn't saw, guys. That's literally it. It's that simple. So now all we're gonna do is just keep working on that. So we're gonna hit this light and then we're just make a U-turn. How do you like the steering wheel? It's nice. that's what happens whenever you're driving a manual car. You got to be more like aware of like everything else, because obviously we can't just let off the clutch, or we can't let off the brake and just go. You kind of like have to watch all the other lights to see when you're going. There we go. Even if you shift like that and it's a little bumpy, it's fine. It's better for it to sound like that than it to sound like, you know, like. So you can put in third now. Yep. So I always shift gears based on the sound of the car. So if it sounds like it's like a little bit high, I usually shift that sound or 3000. Yeah. So when it gets to 3000, you can shift. So you pretty much know how to drive stick now. That's literally it. Yeah. But now the thing that everyone forgets is once you learn how to start stop, everyone gets super comfortable and then they just forget to do the basics, which is always to pause and go slow. So like everyone gets comfortable, they forget to do the basics, and then they start stalling. So just never get too comfortable. Go ahead, give it a little bit of gas. A little bit more, go ahead. Go ahead, step on it. There we go. It's that easy, guys. Steven pretty much learned it now. He's got it. We just made a bunch of turns already, and he's got it. How do you think? Easy, right? Do you have any like questions or like you want any tips or? You feel pretty good?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's that. So like, I always tell people, don't worry if you're shifting rough like this, you know, because over time you're gonna get better. Yeah, guys, this is Steven's car, 335i. I'm gonna teach him how to do hill starts in this right now. Alright, guys, teaching Steven how to do hill starts now. It's super simple. It's literally the same thing with clutch, pausing, and gas. The only thing is you're gonna do a lot more gas and a lot more pausing. So basically all you're doing is you're gonna get off brake, immediately find the G spot, and then after that, just give it a bunch of gas, pause, and when you feel the car moving, slowly let off all the way. So you make sure you just pause. As long as you pause, you're perfectly fine. You're good, you're good. Okay, so remember what I said? Find the biting point first. And then let off brake, and then give it gas. Okay. Alright? Yep. That's it. Yeah. That's how it starts. And even if you roll back a little, you're fine, you know? Yep. It's like that, you know what I mean? Yeah. If you feel like your car doesn't have enough power, just give it more gas. Okay, I'll see. So here's the part where you have to downshift, third at least, or just go straight up. Flip it. Just flip it and then just get off the get off the clutch. Oh, I was perfect. What the hell? No ways, guys. Look, it's Andy. Stupid. That's good. What's going on, guys? Sitting here editing this video right now, and I forgot to end it, so I'm gonna end it right here for you guys. But anyway, so guys, enjoyed the video. We successfully have taught Steven how to drive stick shift. And if you guys want to learn how to drive stick too, I hope this video really helped you, and hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Kind of different than what I used to do, but we're kind of just, you know, having fun with it right now. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time, and thanks for all the support. Bye.